Okay, welcome back to CSS class. Okay, welcome. This is the first CSS class you're going to be having. So welcome to CSS class, where we shall be learning how to start with CSS. So this first lesson is about how to link our CSS file with our HTML file. So you have sample project coding with Habiba. Then you open this folder. I'm using this folder constantly because I want everything you are learning to fall inside the same thing. You won't need to be searching for each and every one of them you're about. Then we need to create a new folder. So this new folder we want to create, I have created my own before, so it is CSS class. Now, so when you open it, then we want to create files inside it. Okay, so the first file to create is our HTML file. So let's just say practical.html practical.html. Then you save it. So then we need to create another file, and this one will be style.css. Then we save it. Alright, let's come to practical. Let's quickly generate some HTML snippets. Alright, so let me quickly write something there. Let's say h1. Okay, then right, this is CSS class. This is CSS class. Okay, let's quickly see what we have there. Okay, this is CSS class. Our title, we can change it to, also change that to CSS class. CSS class. Okay, alright. So now we want to link our, what is it called? Our CSS file with our, we want to link our CSS file with our HTML file. Okay, so this is going to happen inside our head. Inside our head, I've told you that we're still going to be putting many things there, but we started with little title. So in education you start from simple to complex. So we have done the simple part, so if anything is being added again, it won't be strange to us. So this is title. Inside head, now we want to add something else, and link. So I've added a link. Now you can type this manually, it's no problem. And then it's just link. Then you put your attributes there. The first one is what is the relationship, so it is style sheet. Then the reference, hypertext reference, that is where we're going to put the name of our CSS file now. So that is CSS style.css rather. Style.css. So style.css, let's save it now and then open it. It's there now. We have linked our CSS file with our, what is it called, with our HTML file now. So now let's open CSS. Let's see if it's working. In CSS, when you want to, let's quickly test it. So that is h1 that I've declared there. So you just come here, you type h1, and then you use your curly brace. That's the major thing in what is it called in CSS, curly brace. So inside this curly brace now, let's say we want to just declare color. You just write color. So when you just write color, and then let's say we choose red, then semicolon. Color, you put colon, then your, what is the value of this one? It is red, so you put semicolon. Alright, save it now, and let's go to practical.html and see if it has been effected. So this is we did this under CSS and we are seeing the results under our HTML file. Alright, see you in the next class.